Fully furnished house and lot for sale near New Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Consequence of me feeling competent. Mental health is confidence, straight into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's what I'm here to take away. I could play a million long days, but instead of six, something not illogical, something not as topical. Flip it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Be irresponsible, but they're always possible. But if you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and low, and I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Elevator papunta sa ating second floor. So tara, check natin itong loob. So this is the first bedroom. And this design for our elders, like what I said. And meron na rin itong sariling toilet and bath. So hindi niya na kailangan pang makishare and everything kasi lahat na kailangan niya nandito na. And we have here also the cabinets. Ayan. So talagang bedroom na siya. Talagang wala nang kailangan. At design talaga siya for our elders. So, doon, hindi na siya mahirapan kapag lalabas or makikihalubilo sa buong family. So, dito, they have their own space at malapit pa sa entrance ng bahay. Kaya walang problema. So, punta naman tayo sa labas. So, this model house has an elevator. It's a big factor, lalo na kung pinaprioritize nyo yung elder sa inyong family. Because itong elevator, ito yung maghahatid sa kanya pataas kahit mag-akyat panahog pa siya dito sa inyong bahay, walang problema. This model house was designed by Leandro V. Locsin and their partners. And tara, let's look inside. So dito sa foyer niya, makikita nyo, meron tayong stairs. No, hindi lang elevator, meron din tayong stairs dito. And ito yung maghahatid sa atin papuntang second floor. And kung mapapansin nyo, ang daming glass na nakapaligid sa bahay na to. And today, it's 10 a.m. in the morning. Kita nyo naman yung morning light. Literal na pumapasok sa loob ng bahay nyo. Kahit nga wala ng ilaw, ito na lang eh, di ba? Okay na. So, ito naman yung ating living area. So, dito sa living area natin, as you can see, ito yung dining area, and ito yung inyong living space. So dito, you have a complete set na. Guys, lahat ng gamit dito sa video nakikita nyo is belong kapag ito na yung nagustuhan nyo, itong model house na ito. So, this is your living area. And dito naman yung inyong dining area. So, dito, you have your own decision kung gusto nyong palakihan pa yung lamesa or okay na kayo dito with the 6 companions sa inyong table. And dito naman, meron tayo ditong kitchen. As you can see, meron na rin siya dito mga naka-built-in na appliances. Yung pagkaka-design ng mismong mga cabinets and everything, talagang sinadya para dito sa cabinet. And that's good, no? Meron na rin siya kasamang fridge, guys. And you have a cabinets here. A lot of cabinets. May kita nyo dito. Kaya talagang yung mga gamit ninyo, lalo na yung mga ginagamit yung pangluto, sa pag may bisita, hindi nila kita. So, maganda yung nakatago. Tayo mga Pinoy, ganun talaga kasi tayo. Nakatago yung mga magagandang gamit natin sa bahay, di ba? Kapag may bisita, doon lang nilalabas. So, dito, nakatago talaga lahat as in. Puro kahoy lang makikita nyo. You have your own space pa rin dito sa baba. And I think that's your sink na. So, yung mga dapat nyong itago like trash. So, dito na siya nakalagay sa ilalim na itong table na to. And this is your kitchen and this is your dirty kitchen. Meron tayong access dito papunta sa ating dirty kitchen. So, dito, ito yung ating dirty kitchen. Napakaluwag talaga, sa totoo lang. Napakaluwag ng dirty kitchen nila dito sa ating model house. And, like what I said, another cabinets na naman. So, talagang nakatago yung mga gamit natin dito. Literal. And dito sa dirty kitchen, dito nyo siguro plano, maganda lutuin yung mga like heavy meals na lutuin. Kasi meron pa kayong ditong lutuan sa area na to and another fridge, no? Dito, ito naman yung access nyo papunta sa ating maid's room and driver's room. So, andito lang yan sa kabila actually. Kapag kailangan mo yung inyong kasama sa bahay, napakadali lang ng access niya papunta dito sa ating dirty kitchen. I think small details yon na it has a big factors kapag nakatira ka na dito, di ba? So, we're here at the living area and napaisip ba kayo ano yung mga nasa likod ng curtains na ito? So, another glass na naman dito sa bahay na ito. And you have an access here papunta sa ating space or garden or backyard. Pero this one, kung mapapansin nyo, it was designed for a swimming pool. Yan. So, you have your own amenities in your house. You can put here a swimming pool. Kasi napakaluwag na pa rin naman niya. And guys, this is corner lot. Kaya naman yung space niya dito sa gilid, as you can see, ang lawak pa. And you have the access here papunta sa ating from our parking. Kaya walang problema eh. Kung may event kayo dito sa bahay or you have family gathering, you can direct access na dito sa ating swimming pool or sa event place. Hindi na kailangan dumaan pa sa inyong mismong bahay. And you have a powder room here guys dito sa ating ground floor. Para to kapag nandito tayo ngayon sa living area, you have a powder room here na you can share. Diba? Kahit nandyan yung inyong mga family or kung sino mang bisita ninyo, they have an access here. Dito yung gagamitin nila. No, hindi na kung saan-saan pa. And puntahan naman natin ngayon yung second floor. Gamitin natin tong stairs nila dito. Mamaya na tayo gagamit ng elevator. And as you can see, habang umakit ako dito sa ating stairs, no, nakita ko itong view na napakaganda. Kitang-kita yung Tagaytay and another high-end subdivision in the area. And ang ating clubhouse. And kagaya nga ng sabi ko, this house is full of glass window. Kaya naman, direct sunlight yung pumapasok at napakaganda. And we have also a chandelier here. Ayan, as you can see, napakaganda. And tara, pasukin na natin yung mga bedrooms dito sa second floor. So, unahin natin itong master's bedroom. Halika. So, as you can see, you have your own space here before your bedroom. So, maganda rin to kapag movie, Netflix and chill. So, dito kayo pwede at least separate. Pero hindi siya totally separate, guys. Dito sa ating master's bedroom. Ayan. And also, you have your own toilet and bath on your bedrooms. Tara, puntahan natin. So, dito, meron kang walk-in closet na napakalaki. Sa totoo lang, napakaganda na itong walk-in closet na ito. And, dito naman yung ating toilet and bath. And nakabukod yung ating shower area dito sa ating toilet. And puntahan naman natin yung ating other rooms dito sa second floor. So dito guys, you have your own space kahit na nasa second floor kayo. So dito, pwede kayo mag-family bonding, watch movies. So dito you have study area. Pwede ka ditong mag-work kung preferred mo dito sa second floor. Kung hindi mo gusto sa bedroom mo. And dito, since meron kayong space dito and pwede kayong mag-movie, di ba? You have also a powder room dito sa area na ito. So actually, it's essential na may ganito sa bawat space ng bahay mo. Siyempre, hindi niya na kailangan pang makigamit sa kung saan man. At least, pag nandito kayo, you have an access sa mga powder room. So, puntahan naman natin yung dalawang bedrooms dito sa second floor. So, yeah. Andito na tayo sa pangalawang bedroom. So, ito, you have a study area here. Ayan, pwede kayo dito mag-work. And just like what I said, guys, even sa bedroom, napakadaming space no ng mga glass window. So direct talaga pumapasok dito yung araw kapag ka umaga or sa hapon kapag mga golden hour. Dito you have the view of your neighborhood sa buong Traba. Ayan, and yung nakikita nating mga bahay doon, that's Pramana. That's other residential project of Greenfield Development Corporation. It's a high-end also. No, sumunod siya kay Solen. In this bedroom, you have also your own toilet and bath. Let's check this out. So, dito, you have your walk-in closet. And paglagpas mo dito, you have your own toilet and bath. So, this is your shower area. And this is your toilet. Puntahan naman natin yung pangalawang bedroom. So, this is the third bedroom. As you can see, same lang din. Mas maluwag to ng kaunti kumpara dun sa unang bedroom. And, isa pa, another glass window again. So, same view, same yung araw na pumapasok, no? And sa mga houses ngayon, nauuso kapag nagpapatayo ka ng bahay, talagang puro ganito na. So, dito, pag ito yung nabili mong property, ito na yung design. So, what you see is what you get. And this bedroom has their own toilet and bath also. Tara, i-check natin. So, dito naman yung ating toilet and bath nitong bedroom na ito. Same lang din, you have walk-in closet. Same lang din ang format actually. Pagtapos ng walk-in closet, meron ka rin ditong space for shower area and toilet. So, basically, same sila ng size pagdating dito. Ito tayo sa last part nitong bahay na ito. Dito sa ating garden sa third floor. Tara. Bago tayo makyat, no, meron ka space dito again for your coffee or kahit ano. Kaso nga lang, ito nakabit yung ating aircon. So, medyo maingay nga lang. Ewan ko kung rinig sa video. Pero dito, you have the view of entrance. Ayan. Ayan yung ating entrance. And kita mo pa rin yung buong greenery dito sa area ng Traba. Tara, akitin naman natin yung nasa taas. And for the last part, nandito tayo sa roof deck garden. So, as you can see, kahit na napakalaki ng bahay mo, no, meron ka ng landscape sa buong paligid ng bahay and you have garden in your roof deck. Imagine gaano ka-presko sa loob at labas ng bahay mo. And dito, tanaw na tanaw mo yung buong neighborhood ng Traba. Kitang-kita na yung Tagaytay dun sa area na yon. And this is our ongoing construction clubhouse. And dito naman yung ating main entrance. And isa pa, this model house has a solar panel. So, I think lahat ng houses dito possible magkaroon. And kita nyo yung bahay na yon, meron din silang solar panel. But that's a good thing kasi nakakatipid ka o kahit papano dito sa maintenance ng inyong bahay. Siyempre, iba dito sa bahay mong device, kailangan laging nakabukas. So, itong solar panel na to, pwede siya na yung mag-supply dun sa mga devices na yon. So baka meron magtanong sa inyo, no, Sir Carl, allowed naman po ba kung kami yung bumili ng lote dito sa Traba and kami yung mag-design at magpatayo ng bahay? Yes, allowed na allowed po. Basta pasok sa ating Modern Asian team, house design yung ating pasad. Pero sa loob, you can create your own design, your own construction, lahat kayo yung magde-design. So that's allowed. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga ongoing house construction dito sa Trava. So panoorin nyo lang sa last part ng ating video. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating house tour dito sa Trava, no? We have also a other model house. Abangan nyo sa aking next upload. That's our model house number 1. And if gusto mo itong makita ng actual, you just contact us sa mga number na nasa screen. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel para updated ka sa ating mga video about real estate, especially here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Well, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.